Are you looking for a gaming chair that's just as good as a Secretlab, but cheaper? I got you. What's up guys, Nebs here, and today we have a very exciting package from MUSSO gaming chairs. This is my second chair from MUSSO, where the first one is actually the one I'm sitting on right now. And I've been loving and using it ever since they sent it to me. So I'm super excited to unbox this next one, as they told me it is even better than this one right here. Let's get started. The model they sent me today is the MUSSO Throne Series Giant 460A XL, which is their top of the line product. The whole unboxing is an experience itself, as you really feel like what you are getting paid for. You'll first find a huge instruction manual just as you would in a Secretlab, and everything is packaged very nicely with foam and bubble wrap, and it also comes with all the necessary tools to easily assemble the chair. While the assembly is pretty straightforward, and it took me only about 30 minutes to build the whole chair. While unboxing the chair, I already noticed that they've used more expensive materials as compared to the one they've sent me previously. And yes, it looks exactly like a Secretlab. However, it doesn't just look like a Secretlab, it feels like one as well. And even the materials they used were on par, as it just feels as premium and looks like it could take a beating. For this chair, we got a fabric black version, and boy, do I love the look and texture of it. The stitching and embroidered logos all look very premium and are done very neatly as you would expect from a high-end gaming chair. And they've even added the magnetic covers on the side, which you usually see in a Secretlab. The MUSSO Giant 460A XL, and hence the name XL, was specifically designed for people who are bigger or taller, and suits people that are 170 to 210 centimeters tall and also can bear up to 180 kilograms. One key difference between this chair and other regular gaming chairs is that it is bigger and wider than your standard one. As you can see from the comparison, the seat base is 8 centimeters wider on the XL and gives you more space around your butt, or allows you even to sit cross-legged. It features the standard 4D armrest, which you can move up and down, forward and backward, side to side, and also move inwards or outwards. The 460A XL reclines from 90 degrees up to 160 degrees, which is an improvement from the MUSSO Aeolus 300A, which only goes up to 135 degrees. Another improvement they made over the 300A is that there are two levers now. One for the seat height and one for the recline lock. The added recline lock now allows you to lock the chair in a reclined position, which was missing in their previous 300A. A newly added feature also is the built-in 4-way lumbar support with adjustable height and depth. The right knob adjusts the depth of the lumbar support, while the left knob controls the height of it. This is huge, as only a few gaming chairs have this feature, and it can be the make or break of you sitting comfortably or getting back pain. And let's not forget my favorite feature of this chair, the neck pillow is finally magnetic. I can't tell you how many times I've misplaced my neck pillow or put it somewhere else just because I hated the strap-on design of the previous model, and just couldn't get it into a place where it would feel comfortable. Speaking of comfortability, I was surprised that it felt even better than a Secretlab. You can feel the built-in lumbar support more in the MUSSO than in a Secretlab, and they also made it even wider than the XL version of the Secretlab, which makes it even more comfortable and allows me to sit in all sorts of weird positions. Now to the most exciting part, the price. The MUSSO Throne Series Giant 460A XL costs $30,587. But if you use the code MUSSO2023, it will only cost $24,999. That is almost $14,000 cheaper than the competing Secretlab Titan Evo XL with the same functionalities and same build quality. And again, if you actually check the specs of the MUSSO Giant 460A XL, it has more seat space and seat depth than the Secretlab, which makes it especially better for taller or bigger people. Wrapping up here, I was surprised how good this chair actually is. It's basically an improved version of the Secretlab, which is also 1/3 cheaper than the original. The quality is the same, it has the same functionalities, and even the unboxing experience just feels as good. The only missing thing is the cloud swap replacement system on the Secretlab armrests, but who really uses that anyway? The MUSSO Giant 460A XL is perfect for people who've been looking for a bigger and wider chair. However, it is still quite expensive at $25,000, but it is still $14,000 cheaper than the Secretlab equivalent. At that price, you almost could get 3 MUSSO Aeolus 300A chairs already, which only comes at 9,699 pesos but lack the built-in lumbar support, magnetic pillow, and uses lesser quality material. However, if you're looking for the biggest and widest chair available all along with premium quality and comfort, the MUSSO Giant 460A XL is the perfect choice. Personally, I will be keeping the MUSSO Giant 460A XL just because I love the magnetic pillow and the recline lock, which were missing in the 300A. The build quality is also a huge step up from the cheaper 300A, and even the unboxing experience feels like you're getting your money's worth. But what do you guys think? Would you get the more expensive Secretlab or the much more cheaper MUSSO Giant 460A XL? Or would you just buy 3 MUSSO Aeolus 300A chairs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more review videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!